Camels, the long-haul truckers of the Sahara. These pack animals are perfectly suited for extreme desert conditions. Why, these babies can go for 100 miles without even a sip of water. That's 'cause of this here hump. Fill her up with some high-quality H2O and you can H2Go forever. Nice try, but that's not exactly what's going on under the camel's hood, or rather, hump. Perhaps the most distinctive physical quality of camels is their humps. However, despite the long-standing rumor, these humps aren't for storing water. They store fat that camels can use for nourishment in case they don't have food. Storing food energy as fat is especially important for camels, who typically live in the desert where food sources can be hard to come by. The longer camels go without food, the more their humps will deflate and droop. But once camels are able to refuel, the humps reinflate. Humans and other animals do this as well, but our fat is usually distributed throughout our bodies. So why do camels keep all their extra fat in one place? By concentrating fatty tissue in humps on their backs, camels' bodies are less insulated, which helps regulate their body temperature and keeps them from sweating. This allows their body temperature to rise while also conserving water and preventing them from overheating during the hot desert days. Then, when the temperature drops at night, they use the extra stored heat to stay warm. Of course, camels can still go quite a long time, about a week without water. However, their efficiency with water has more to do with several other adaptations for living in arid conditions, such as their oval-shaped blood cells, which allow camels to consume large amounts of water, up to 30 gallons in one sitting. Because these cells are more elastic, they can easily change shape to retain more water. This shape also allows the camel's blood to flow more easily when water is scarce. Camels are pretty amazing creatures. What with their ability to eat cacti, spines and all, they retain more water than a kiddie pool, and spit like an Old West gunslinger. Still, their humps remain their most well-known feature, even if they are more like lunchboxes than water bottles.